Hello, hi. In this video, I want to share on how to install replacement bezel for G-Shock Mini model GW-690 module 625. This is a replacement bezel, original replacement bezel for this G-Shock. Okay, it's a really easy process actually. First of all, you have to unscrew the bezel screw. There is 4 screws. Unscrew all. Actually, it's hard to find this replacement bezel in the market, but now I have a few of them in my stock. So for those who are interested to buy, can WhatsApp me. Okay, and then next process is to install the bezel. Normally I install it from the right side first, because this side it has a shorter button, so it's easier to install bezel from this side first, and then you just push a little bit this side to side button. Tada, that's it. And then put all the screws back. That is it. Okay. Put another 2 screws. And the last one. Okay, finish. Okay, finish the process of installations replacement bezel for G-Shock Mini GMN-690. Okay, and here is a replacement bezel and band for this model. This is a brown color, black, and this is maroon, I think. There is this bezel. Yeah, this is maroon. See, and it's black. This is matte black. This is a glossy black. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember to subscribe my channel for latest video. Bye.